Hi guys, welcome to Smart Vlogs. Today I come up with a new video about how to stop auto history saving in Google and YouTube. Normally, if you browse in the Google Chrome, the history will be auto saved. If someone take your phone, they will come to know what you browsed in your Google Chrome if they go to your history. So guys, normally do is delete their history every time after watching blah blah blah. So today I am going to show you a solution in Google Chrome and YouTube about how to stop auto history saving. Let's go. It's very simple guys. Just tap these three dots and go to new incognito tab. That's it. Now you can browse anything and history should not be saved anymore. Remember the name, new incognito tab. Use this option and you can browse freely. Now the second tip I am going to show you is how to stop your history in YouTube videos. Go to YouTube and click your account. Click settings option. Go to history and privacy option. Here you can delete your already watch history and save history by using clear watch history option and clear watch search history option. But if you want forever freedom with no history saving, then turn on the pause watch history. Turn on it. Okay. Then pause search history. Turn on this. Okay. That's it. Job done. Now you can watch any videos without history saving. That's it guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope these two tricks will help you. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get latest information videos time to time. See you guys.